In this guide, I'll show you how to share games from your Nintendo account with all users on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and open up the Nintendo eShop, then sign into your Nintendo account that has all your games. Now what you want to do is go to your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down to settings on the left sidebar and scroll over. Then you can scroll down to the bottom. Now here you can see Pass Enabled Console, and it says this system deregister. So that means this Nintendo account is already registered as Pass Enabled on this console, meaning all other users will be able to access digital games, content, and more from this Nintendo account on this Switch 2. Now, if you had two Switch 2s and on your first Switch 2 it was already registered as the Pass Enabled console, what you'd have to first do is deregister on that first Switch 2, and then on the second one you could simply sign into the Nintendo eShop, and then it'd become the primary. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.